Hi all, I want to show you something. This is a memory reader for NVMe and SATA SSD. These chips are used in many computers. Most of them are tiny computers that you need a low profile memory SSD model. So this unit from Ugreen can read both models. This is the advantages of this one. Let's see how it looks like. Very tiny. The finish is like aluminum. Oh, I never read the manual, but it's very simple. You just insert your memory module inside, and then so this part is not going out, and you have a few sizes, actually 4 sizes by the number. Okay, so this is 20, 20, 30, 42, 60 and 80, and this is in millimeter, I guess, the length of the module that you insert in. So you just plug it inside, and then it's like a box that you can read all the memory content. Now, why do I have 2 cables? This is also nice, because one of them is a type C to regular USB, and if you want to support higher speed, then you have type C to type C. So this is all. You just plug it and then you're good to go. If I don't have any memory, let's see if the computer will recognize this model quickly. Suppose it will work on Windows 10. So as you can hear, it did some sound. I need to go to the device manager. I currently don't have a memory model to test, but this is all. This is how it works. You just press the button, plug your memory in. You can use this screw to close the module so it will not move around, and then you can read and write to your memory. So I did find one memory module. Let's test it. I'm curious to see how it works. Of course, be very careful with these models. They are very sensitive. I guess I just plug it like this, and then this is the reason I have this button here. Okay, so you put maybe I need to okay. It is catching the PCB, so just put it on the circle of the screw, and then it's fit in. And now I cannot close it because probably did you hear the click? So now I'm sure it's in its place correctly. Now we'll see that we can read the data in the disk. Yeah, I can read all the data without any problem. So it's working properly. That's all. Thank you and bye.